Yeah, it's a boy. You can call me the beat handle when I produce, and Slur mix when we're talking about audio engineering. I'm a music producer and also a sound engineer. At times, you run into situation where your CPU is overpowered, then your system start dragging, and you will not be able to mix this project conveniently. If your system is a multi-processor, then you can go to your DAW setup. If you're using Cubase has a setting that enables you to activate the multi or processing power of your system. So go to Studio Setup and to Audio System, and you'll see Activate Multiprocessing. This will enable Cubase to make use of the whole processing power of your system. And another thing you can try is try to group those tracks that sound similar. You can deactivate some tracks, then focus on some tracks that have similar sounds, group them together and mix them. So when you mix those tracks and you feel on their own they sound right enough, do similar grouping and mixing to other tracks too. After you export these groups individually and you bring them back into the project, you might at this point want to save as a different file name. So when you bring them back into the project, you can now deactivate or delete those tracks that you have grouped and turn into a single stereo file. So by that, you reduce the number of tracks you're working with, and you have reduced the workload on your processor.